with the business development team here at Marchex, and I wanted to invite you to join our webinar on touring the Marchex Lost Opportunities dashboard. We know you spend a lot of your marketing dollars driving calls to your business, and you know it's working. What you may not realize is that many of the calls you drive fail to connect with your business. Learn how businesses are measuring their failed call rate and the steps they're taking to improve it. In our webinar, we'll discuss where callers are left hanging when trying to reach your business. See the various ways that you can filter for business-specific insights, and gain actionable intelligence that you can apply to your inbound call processes to optimize this valuable channel of business. If you want to join us, please go ahead and click the link to register, and we look forward to seeing you on the webinar.